WorldRemit App Not Working. Fix. If your WorldRemit app is not working, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Close and reopen the app. Completely close the app and open it again. Step 3. Update the app. Check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 4. Clear cache or reinstall the app. On Android, clear the cache. On iOS, reinstall the app if needed. Step 5. Restart your device. Restart your phone or tablet to fix temporary glitches. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If it still doesn't work, contact WorldRemit support for help. Tips: keep your device and app updated, avoid old devices, and report recurring issues. And that's it. You now know how to fix a WorldRemit app not working issue.